I just landed in Georgetown, Guyana. It is 3 in the morning. I am in the Guyana Airport, excuse me. I am in Georgetown, Guyana, after 3:30 in the morning, 2 hours of getting through immigration. You can hear the jungle sounds, and it's been quite a day. 4-hour delay in Trinidad due to a storm. Excuse me, 5-hour delay. So now I'm just waiting to go to the hotel, get some sleep, and explore tomorrow. Have a good night. Oh no, you're fine. I don't want to get you in the, but you're so beautiful. It wouldn't be too bad. You're welcome. There is the moon over Guyana, one of the most remote, obscure countries in the world. Look at that moon. Well, that moon's over everything, but to see it from Guyana,